Brentwood Industries is one of the leading producers of industrial battery products in the world. Our focus is primarily, in the present tense, on North Central and many of the customers in South America. Brentwood began its experience in industrial battery in 1971, producing battery boots for some local Berks County-based battery manufacturers. In 1978, we bought our first perforating machine and began producing Koroseal, which is a battery plate wrap. To produce our battery products, we use a variety of processes from conventional thermoforming, match metal punch and die, and injection molding. At Brentwood, we use an innovative match metal punch and die system that's uniquely nimble and flexible and can produce an almost limitless array of patterns to suit a customer's individual needs. The primary applications for the products that we produce at Brentwood will be industrial batteries, for forklifts, for standby and backup power systems, for industries that can't lose power, and also communication towers. Brentwood still produces its original battery product, battery boots. In the years since then, we've produced Koroseal and are the largest supplier of Koroseal in the Americas. We also produce battery spacers for industrial batteries, and we injection mold battery cases for automotive batteries. At Brentwood, our engineering team works with a customer to develop a solution to their needs, whether that be a minor adjustment to a pre-existing product or developing a new product from scratch. Every step of our process involves rigorous testing to ensure that those products are going to meet or exceed the customer's requirements for physical properties. Brentwood prides itself in staying current with manufacturing trends and technologies, with state-of-the-art thermoforming processes and robotics. In the present tense, Brentwood is certified to ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001-2015, and IATF 16949-2016. At Brentwood, we like to say that we deliver confidence, and by having a robust quality management system, we ensure that a customer will be satisfied and can be confident doing business with Brentwood. What sets Brentwood apart as a manufacturer is we're a family-owned company, and we like to say that we've retained a family feel over the course of our time. When you partner with Brentwood Industries, you will feel immediately like you're part of that Brentwood family. It's something that we take deep pride in and something we promise to deliver.